How's that looking? I decided I'd have toad in the hole. So to make the toad in the hole, you need a little hole in the bread. And you know, you can use a little knife or whatever if you want. I just pluck it out real careful. And you're a little bigger than that. You can eat the bread while you're doing it too. You only want the hole about the size of a yolk. All right, there you go. Just about like that. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of butter in there. I'm gonna take my bread with the hole in it and drop it right there. Then take my egg, carefully drop the egg in there. Now lift this corner up a little bit. Try and get a little bit of the white to get through to the bottom. Don't let it get too long. Ooh, almost burned it, but I didn't. See how we got toast and egg? Let me dish this up now. There's a better view for you. The other side. Oop. Like that. It's all set. It's prettier the other way, so I'm going to turn it over. Grab some of my bacon. How's that looking? Let me move the stove for a second. Show you how this works. There you go. Got your yolk. The whites are cooked there. And we're in business for breakfast. That didn't take too long, huh? Yes. So, there you have it from your Tin Cup Chef. See you around.